In this video, we show how to replace a DCSCM and add it card in a PowerEdge R6725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the DCSCM with riser 2 out of the system, disconnect the cable and then lift the blue clip and then slide it out of the system. To install the DCSCM and add it card, align it with the system, slide it all the way in, press it all the way into the back, and then lower the latch, and finally reconnect the data cable. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R6725, visit dell.com/support.